In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Then you need to copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard or by clicking on Clipboard and clicking on it here. If you want to pin your sentence, use this pen. Click on the sentence and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on the pen, tap on the sentence and use pin icon instead. To disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!